Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to showcase my raycaster that I made using C++ and SDL2. I am also going to explain the basics of raycasting. So, let's start the video. So what is raycasting? Raycasting is the most basic of most computer graphics rendering algorithms. So how does it work? In raycasting, a map is defined as an array. Then when the program runs, rays are casted from the player's position to the direction the player is looking at. Then the program checks if any ray is colliding with a wall. If not, then continue casting, but if collided, calculate how high the wall should be rendered based on how far it is from the player. Then draw the wall. That's how basically raycasting works. Now let's see this in action. If we run the program, you can see everything is white. That's because there is a wall in front of the player. Since I have set the wall color to white, it draws a white wall. Now if we look around, we can see some empty space and more walls. The rays are casted from the player. The walls are drawn where the rays collided, and nothing is drawn or left empty where it didn't. Also, to add depth, the program uses a dimmer version of the specified color for the walls that aren't directly facing the player. Raycasting is not true 3D, but it gives a good illusion of 3D space. If you want to learn more about this, or if you want to make your own raycaster, I would recommend Load's computer graphics tutorial. In fact, I learned it using this tutorial, and the explanation images are taken directly from there. The link to the GitHub repository of this project can be found in the description. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.